get behind the pace car and the caution come out.
Yeah, I was second under a yellow, across the finish line, and it kicked me back to about 11th place.
So I guess that's good that I'm not the only one that it's happened to.
Slow on the backstretch. Yeah, I was watching that on Twitch. I couldn't get it typed in fast enough to tell you to let the pace car by.
Well, that was almost an accident.
It's like a dump truck compared to the dump car.
This race will be entertaining with all these practice crashes. Backing off, backing off, backing off, backing off. Oh. Apparently he backed off quite a bit more.
Alright guys, we got a lot of people in our
Should be interesting. I don't have a whole lot of practice on this one.
Look at everything, make sure all the wheel covers are on the wheels. Don't want to lose any lug nuts or anything like that. Christine, let's just make sure everybody's aware as we start getting into pit stops and whatnot, we need people to back out a little bit so these guys can do their job.
That Valvoline car looks fantastic. Alright, good luck everybody. Just try to avoid the passing in turn one, that seems to be a trouble spot.
One thing to remember on these restarts, watch to your
side.
These guys timing that right, diving down inside you, getting into turn one. Closed.
Yeah, no wrecking on the outlets.
Hey, I'll wreck whenever I want to, driver. That just made my day.
I was in 2 races last night, and the front row wrecked both times before we even got rid of the pace car.
Yeah, be careful using second on the restarts.
I have no issues with second for some reason. When I try first gear, I have issues.
But it's the one person that does that causes all the problems.
In the last race that I did, which was yesterday, I was doing a burnout right when I was pulling off the grid, and all 3 of my screens went out to my desktop. I couldn't see anything. Tried to go back in, blue screen it up.
How does that triple screen? Does that give you like full side view?
Triple screen is freaking awesome.
That's my next move.
I just got it 2 weeks ago for my birthday, and it's 327s. It's just freaking amazing.
You got all the sidelines, the cars on either side of you, everything, corners.
Well, I don't have all of that because I don't have the monitors really close to me, but it's just unbelievable. It's just nice.
You got to get a good stand-up because my left and right monitors are about 1/8 of an inch lower than my center monitor. But it's really, really cool having 3 screens.
My display is mounted to my table, so I can't move it.
And they have to be the exact same monitor.
So it has to be sort of a compromise for normal computer use, so it has to be further back than it would be if I was able to move it.
That actually makes you faster with 3 screens, I would think.
Well, when you can set your field of view good, and you can actually...
If that was true, everybody'd be in the Pro Series by now.
So,
Nice big deep breath here.
Well, it makes you faster than you would have been on that.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Pace cars off. Be ready. Alright, buddy. Line up behind 15. Green flag. 20.
I'll give you
20
15.
Outside. Still there outside.
Step forward, please.
Still there outside.
We're racing.
Quarter outside. Still there. Clear.
The further back
Terrible
you field
start.
of view, the faster the sense of speed. Check it out.
Yeah, we have one left.
I'm trying to get a
On the
call.
bottom. Go to the top. Car.
nice job!
The fuck? The
Run
fuck car
front
support.
wall.
You back it down, back it
Bye,
down.
Rex. Pit road is closed. Give me line up
Hey,
behind
just
the
said we
20.
made one left.
Woo, that was scary.
That's incredible. That's incredible.
Line up behind the 17. Line up behind the 3. Behind the 8.
I just made it past that. I can't believe it.
We start
Complete
behind the
roadblock on the
19.
track, and I can't believe I made it past it. Turn 2, there's complete roadblock on the track. Watch out,
Give me line
guys.
up behind the 11.
6, are you from the Australian Touring Car Series? Because you have the same spelling.
Alright, you're going to have to come around in 14.
Watch out, guys. Turn 2, watch out. They're blocking the track.
Back at it.
I thought I was all the way through. I got a fender bender. Damn it.
You're going to be lining up behind the
I'm
14.
here. Sorry, I'm going
Dang
in.
Did everyone behind the top 5 crash out?
Well, number 6 took out basically number 5 and everybody behind him.
You see that thing for that doing the last race. I'm sorry, not the 6. He was 6 last race. The 11 had an issue last race that everyone was mad about. I didn't quite understand it, but
Explain all this frustrated by you took me out of
I might even be thinking of the wrong car. I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't listen to me.
Hey, 6 car, look at my replay. 19 car on that, right? A little past it.
Hey, Tyler, I'm going to get up alongside you. How's my fender look?
Which one? Left front?
Yeah, that,
Back up a little bit.
I stepped on you.
Pit road is open.
It looks fine to me.
I got a little dent. Got a little dent in the hood.
I don't have the 3 monitors, so you have to be in a special spot for me to be able to see it.
Don't mind it behind the gate.
I just have one really, really big screen.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
I have three 22-inch monitors, but I use them for graphic design, and I don't feel like moving them.
What's the biggest monitor you can get where you can put three together?
27, pretty much, unless you want to do freestanding, and then you can do 334s if that's what you want.
I know a guy that's got
Line up behind the
340.
gate.
Hell, you could do 363s if you wanted to.
Alright, looks like you're
So
going to be
if
lining
you
up
want, you
behind
can
the
do
gate.
365s.
Yeah, it's just all about how much money and space you have. Mine's tucked into the corner of my little room here.